Let's see how much this kid can take. We're gonna put him in a freezer.
Okay. So we have this freezer. And it's set at 20 degrees. If it's cold, like crazy, and I'm gonna get in it. Nick. Yeah.
You gotta shut the door.
Your job is to close the door. Alright.
You in there?
Yeah, I'm in.
Close it.
Okay. Oh, that is cold.
Start banging on it. Nick, go bang on it. Open the door, open the door, open the door.
Dude, you have no idea how cold it is in there. And it stinks. Oh my god, it does. Look, it's set on low too. Feel it.
Oh, it's freezing. It's not. It's colder than this full one too.
This is 30 degrees, and yeah.
So
I would have gotten in here.
if that stuff wasn't in there.
Yeah. So.
Bye.
Yeah.